Location 1 was amazing.
The weather is pretty well. Big thumbs up.
अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा लगा और द सेकेंड लोकेशन जो था वो बहुत अच्छा था.
I like the location 1 and the location 3. So amazing views.
Absolutely fantastic. Three excellent locations. We should have had more time. I think we would have done one more. That's a surprise. I think Ryan, we should be taking up another vlog on that fourth one. Correct. With a new ride. And absolutely loved it. We all loved it. We had a little bit of off-road. We had a little bit of broken tarmac. We had everything. We have beautiful weather. So what you need to do now is that if you have liked this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, as well as press the notification bell. Do not forget to do that.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome. Yes, today is Sunday and we're going on a ride. I have 6 more riders joining me this time for a ride. They are not aware of the places that I'm taking them. You have read it in the description, so you know exactly where this is. Stay tuned and let's see. We have a meetup at 6:30 at Fountain Hotel at Mira Bhayandar Road. So catch you there. Hey guys, and welcome back to Mumbaikar Boy. Yes, so we are at Fountain Hotel, which is right there behind. And we are already 4 of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us are here. We are waiting for Kevin and Ashish. Of course, I hate late comers, and these 2 guys are late. So let's see. It's a beautiful weather. You can see the weather behind. It's a beautiful weather. So I don't think there's going to be any problem. It's a little hot, of course. I hope the rains get us. And stay tuned to the ride. Hop on to this ride with us, where we welcome you to enjoy this location virtually with us. We had 5 locations initially to touch in our itinerary, but only 3 were touched, as the first one was the most loved by all, and we spent most of our time there, not realizing that we had the rest 4 to see. Yes, the weather was also on our favor. We had the sun and the rains welcoming us on the entire journey, and we were 7 riders. We made sure that we were 7 because due to the COVID norms, I didn't want to carry many more riders with us. So stay tuned and enjoy this beautiful journey with us, and we're going to disclose the place soon. The planning to this ride took at least 2 weeks, as I was not sure where do I take the guys and which place do I explore, which even I have not seen. We were back on the Ahmedabad highway, which has never disappointed me, as you can see. And yes, this time the place that we chose was Jawar. We wanted to explore Jawar. Jawar falls under the Palghar district, situated in the ranges of Western Ghats. Jawar is actually an hill station where nobody knows much about, known for its iconic palace, which is the Jai Villa Palace. It's approximately 145 kilometers from Mumbai and 80 kilometers from Nasik. It is a must place to visit. You will know why. Stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. We started our journey at 5:30 in the morning, and now it was time to have some breakfast, which we had decided to do as a potluck, wherein everyone brought something little to share. Our breakfast menu comprised of the most famous Salman Bhai's tea, sandwiches, biscuits, chips, bread and cheese, and not to forget the pepla, which everyone wanted their hands on. The route that we decided to take was from Charoti. We took a right entering Kasa and was entering Jawar as well. Yes, we were welcomed through beautiful scenic views, the villages, and we were almost there at our first location. So we have made it to the first location. Yes, that's Dabosa Waterfalls. The boys and the gang are right there. So it is what time? It is 10:30 right now, and we have 3 more places to visit. So let's go ahead and check the waterfall and see how it is. So we finally made it to our first location, that is Dabosa. Dabosa is situated in the village also known as Dabosa, where it got its name from. It is, believe me, the highest waterfall to be situated in Mumbai, which actually drops at a height of 300 feet. Best known for kayaking, trekking, valley crossing and fishing. So we have got this small little boy who's here. His name is Nilesh, and he's going to show us Dabosa through the steps as well. मला दाखवणार ना खालतून. So now he's keeping the helmets for everybody, and he's taking care of our bags and our helmets over here. So these guys are nice. We're going to give him something when we leave. So let's now enjoy what we have come here for. It was our trekking skills that was put to a test and came alive. It was approximately 300 to 400 steps down, plus steps down to the heart of the waterfall, and our riding gears made it even more harder to trek all the way down. So you can see the climb is from there. Salman is coming down now. Come on Salman, you can do it. We finally made it down, and the only thought that came to our minds was, will it be easy to climb back up? Isn't that on your mind also? Then enjoy the waterfall till then and keep guessing. So guys, finally we have made it to the waterfall, and it's a very beautiful view. Check it out. So it's a little bit exhausting. Of course, if you're coming down, there is a shop on top. What you can do is you can leave your stuff, your jackets there, and walk down. Rajesh ji is not feeling well because he's dehydrated at the moment, but it's time to now go up. So let's go up and let's see how this journey is going to be. Going up, it's going to be a little difficult. It was more time that we spent here than expected, as we indulged ourselves into this magnificent waterfall. And now it was the hardest time to actually think of how long it's going to take to reach on top. It's really difficult to actually climb up. I'm without breath. You can see the guys on top, they are even climbing. You have to take breath, and you need to take a pause climbing each step up. So not advised if you're a heart patient, not advised if you're an asthma patient, and of course if you have weak knee joints, please don't come down. Take the view of the waterfall from top. So I've reached so far. So it was right down there that we came up. Oh my god, it's exhausting. Kevin is there as well. Finally, we were back on the roads and we were headed to our second destination. We lost approximately 3 hours because of course we wanted to enjoy the scenic view around the Dabosa waterfalls. Stay tuned, and we're going to surely reach our second destination very soon. So we have made it finally to the second spot. It's Hiratpada Waterfalls. It's very close to the Dabosa waterfalls. It's just 16 minutes away from Dabosa. You can see it right there. Our second destination, Hiratpada Waterfalls. It is one of the 109 villages in Jawar block. The village is known for Adivasi community. Well, we were not lucky enough, or we did not know the route to actually go to the mouth of the waterfall, but I hope you enjoy this beautiful view from right here. So there is an aerial view that you can take. You have to actually climb up there. You can see Ashish going up right there. So let's go ahead and climb up at that. So we climbed right on top and you can see the view over here. Yes, There were guys actually having a party on top, so all the guys could not go up, but we had a view. And now let's go carry on to the next destination. Our next destination was very close, and it was approximately 18 minutes away. So yes, finally it's almost quarter to 3 or 3:30. I'm not sure. I have not forgotten the clock actually to see my time, but I'm approximately sure it is around 3:30. Yes, we have come to another place. This is the third destination that we have stopped. It is called Khadka Dam. I'll leave it for you to actually judge how this place is, and would you also like to come to this place? Leave your comments below and I'll be happy to actually guide you to this place. Our final and last destination for the day was Khadka Dam, a major dam in Jawar, and it provides a peaceful ambience to soothe the tired mind and body, especially of a rider. Its excess water flows through the huge rock just ahead of the dam, which can be seen in the form of a waterfall. So what has happened is we have found out that you can go up right there with the bike. So you can take the bike up there. So that's exactly what we are doing. We are actually going to take the bike on top and see how the view is from there. We'll try and come back over here again to see if we can go into the water. Like you can see the people behind, enjoying themselves. We finally made it up, and trust me, I leave it up to you to decide how this view is and how it looks from here top, rather than being down below. It was almost 4 o'clock and we were not sure if we would continue to reach the other two spots, because we were also getting hungry at the moment, and we will want to look for a nice chicken restaurant because most of us were craving chicken, and that's exactly what we were actually now hunting for, a restaurant that would serve us good authentic local chicken. And here's what we actually ended up having. So yes, we are almost headed home now. It's 5:40, and I wanted to ask the riders this time how they feel. So we'll get Salman over here and ask him how does he feel of this day, and what was the place that you enjoyed?
Location 1 was amazing. It was a trek, but it was worth the trek. Okay.
Perfect. Thanks a lot as well. Ashish, which was the location that you liked?
I liked the location 1 and the location 3. So amazing views.
Did you like how the ride was organized and everything?
Absolutely. Also, Ryan, fantastic job, and what to say, surprise views, amazing one.
Perfect. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll get you three more riders actually, and their review on exactly how this ride has been. Okay, as you know, the ride had 2 girls. Of course, I'm going to take a review of one of the girls who actually came with me. So how was your experience? What was the location that you liked, and what do you think how was the ride organized?
The ride तो अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा लगा, और the second location जो था वो बहुत अच्छा था. So अच्छा organize किया था. Last में chicken भी अच्छा था. Finally the chicken.
Yeah, we were all hungry, so finally that's the food. So we're going to get one more female biker who was with us and see what she has to say about the ride. So we have Nish over here who's actually been on my rides as well. Nish, what was your experience on this ride?
So this is my second experience with the ride, and it was because of the weather. It's pretty well. Big thumbs up.
Cheers. And of course, the last and the most important person for this ride who actually was my brain behind actually planning this entire ride, is Mr. Rajesh. So let's go ahead and see what he has to say. So Rajesh ji, what did you feel about this? Let me clear the lens about this ride, and thank you so much for actually being my mind behind this ride. I hope you enjoyed it. Can you give the viewers a small bite of what you felt about this ride?
Absolutely fantastic. Three excellent locations. We should have had more time. I think we would have done one more. That's a surprise. I think Ryan, you should be taking up another vlog on that fourth one.
Correct.
With a new ride. And absolutely loved it. We all loved it. We had a little bit of off-road. We had a little bit of broken tarmac. We had everything. We have beautiful weather. So what you need to do now is that if you have liked this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, as well as press the notification bell. Do not forget to do that.
Well, thank you so much, Rajesh ji, guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the channel. Of course, we are going to get you some more locations. I have a lot in mind, with the help of a few fellow riders as well. This is Mumbai Car Boy saying thank you and see you on the next vlog.